Introducing a marvel of modern design, the Futuristic 19ft micro house on wheels. This innovative dwelling is not only stylish and functional, but also highly versatile thanks to its built-in and covered terrace. Gone are the days of struggling with separate attachments or cumbersome transport. With this micro house, you can simply pack up and go, with all the comforts of home right at your fingertips. And with the added convenience of a covered terrace, you can enjoy the beauty of nature in any weather, day or night. The minimalistic, nature-inspired design reveals pleasant surprises such as infrared floor heating with Wi-Fi function, air conditioning with heating function, premium kitchen appliances, and a 50-liter hot water boiler that can also be controlled via Wi-Fi. Size-wise, the Langenberg would be suitable for a couple, but it can accommodate up to 4 people overnight, thanks to the convertible sofa in the living room. The living room was designed as a versatile space. Features such as the wall-mounted TV and the foldable table keep the area uncluttered so that the sofa can be turned into a generous bed at night. During the day, this works as a perfect spot for relaxing and socializing with friends, in addition to the lovely porch. From a design point of view, the typical horizontal window is replaced by 3 tall, narrow ones that create some visual interest while still bringing in lots of natural light. A kitchen that's nothing short of remarkable. Every inch has been thoughtfully designed to provide maximum functionality, with well-equipped cupboards and drawers offering ample storage space for all your culinary needs. And when it comes to relaxation, the bathroom is sure to impress. Despite its compact size, it boasts modern amenities like a refreshing rain shower and an eco-friendly toilet. And with a compact vanity complete with an LED mirror, you'll have everything you need to look and feel your best. Whether you're cooking up a storm or enjoying a soothing shower, this charming cabin has it all. A basic ladder leads to the loft bedroom from the living area. This is perhaps the most minimalistic room in the entire house. The paneling, made of spruce wood with a colorless varnish used throughout the home, gives it a warm and natural appearance. A discreet protection wall adds safety without interrupting the view. There's only one window, which can be a downside because it doesn't allow the best ventilation. In terms of space, the room is big enough to fit in a bed with a queen-size mattress and some discreet shelves for storage. This is one of the main designs offered by Berghaus, a German tiny house builder that creates custom dwellings. The turnkey version starts at €66,378 and can be delivered anywhere in Europe.